Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. In this video we just discovered an application which pays you tell me that you love me even if it's fake. Which pays you $2 per each person that you refer. I repeat, $2 per each person that you refer. So please watch this video till the end. I also have a surprise for you, so if you skip it you're going to miss that surprise that I have for you. And if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. So guys, the name of the application that I'm talking about is called Quack. Yes, the name is Quack. So Quack is a nice application which pays you $2 per each person that you refer. This application is more like cheaper cash. Yeah. Check the top left corner for the payment proof. Yes, I have a payment proof for you guys, so check it. So what is Quack? Get to know your friends of friends. Quack is the easiest way to make connections through the people you trust. I mean your friends. That's good. New friends are here. Okay, find your people. Okay, start chats with new friends when you mutually approve, and keep in touch with old friends. We never share phone numbers, your contacts. That's good. So this is Quack. It pays you $2 per each person that signs up using your link, and this application is available on both Android devices and the iOS devices. So let's get to the website or the app to see how it looks like. Okay, this is the link. I will leave the link under the description, so make sure you check it out, then you click on it. But I took you here for a purpose. So this is Quack. So the first thing you have to do is, this is a step-by-step thing. The first thing is you make sure you connect your VPN to USA. Please take note, you connect your VPN to USA, then you click on the link that I will leave under the description. So the second one is the moment you click on the link, you let me click on it for us to see. Okay, the moment you click on the link, it will take you here, Nanayao 21. So what you have to do is you click on view profile. You will click on view profile, and it will automatically take you to Play Store to download this application. So after you've downloaded this application, you may need a USA number for verification. So check the video, check the top right corner and click on the card to watch the video on how to get a USA number for online verifications. If you haven't watched that video yet, then check the top right corner for the card that appears. Click on it and it will take you to the video that I'm talking about. You'll be able to get your USA number for your online verification. So after that, after you've gotten your USA number for your verification, you just copy it and come and open the Quack application. But whilst you open it, make sure your VPN is still connected to USA, and then you continue to register with the application. After you've done registration, you can disconnect the VPN and start referring people. And make sure when you reach $10, the threshold is $10. So if you reach $10 for cash out, make sure you connect your VPN again when you are cashing out your money. So as I said, the first step is you connect your VPN to USA. You click on the link I will leave under the description. You click on it and it will take you to that page that I show you. You click on view profile, it will automatically direct you to Play Store. You download the application, make sure your VPN is still connected, then you get your USA phone number for verification. Then you come and open the Quack application and you register. After that, you can disconnect your VPN and copy your Quack link and start giving it to your friends for registration as well. Then when you reach $10 for cash out, then you still have to connect your VPN to USA and cash it out. So guys, this is Quack, the application that I brought to you today. Yes, I told you guys I have a surprise for you. This surprise is an application called Palmpay. And guys, I'm sorry, but this application is only available in Africa, especially for Ghanaians and the Nigerians. Make the most of your money. Send money for free, pay for your airtime and bills, and earn rewards every time you spend with Palmpay. Try it for yourself on Android devices and iOS. And make sure I'll leave the link under the description, so make sure you check the second link if you are interested in Palmpay. What it does is you'll be able to send money to your loved ones without you paying any fees or any charge. And the good thing I love and why I won't stop using Palmpay is that when you try to buy airtime, like if you are buying airtime worth 5 cedis, they will rather send you 10 cedis of airtime and you only pay for 5 cedis. The same thing if you need 10 cedis airtime, they will send you 20 cedis airtime and you only pay for 10 cedis. That is why I love Palmpay and I'll keep using it. And the bonus is that you can also refer your friends to Palmpay and you can earn points, and those points you will be able to redeem it for mobile money or to top up your airtime. So that is Palmpay. As I said, I will leave the link under the description, so if you're interested, all you have to do is click on the second link of the video. So guys, this is what I have for you today. If you loved it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. As I said, if you like my videos, it just motivates me to do more researches and bring the results out to you. So make sure you like my videos regularly so that it motivates me. And if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. So guys, this is what I have for you today. Hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.
Oga, I beg.
Tell me that you love me.